Traditional web design is broken. If you've ever been through the process of building a website before, chances are you've had it built, you've left it, and you haven't done much with it. That's something we see a lot here at Back9. So that's why we believe traditional web design is broken. But there's good news, there is a much better way. The better way is a methodology called growth-driven web design. So growth-driven web design not only sees a new website launch faster, it sees results quicker, and over time it means the website will perform a lot better and actually get you the results it should be getting. So growth-driven design, or GDD, is made up of 3 key stages. Strategy, which is really important, figuring out what you need the website to do, what you want it for, a whole bunch of other things. Then a launchpad design. So a launchpad, as the name suggests, is just getting something built fast and up and running as quickly as possible. Once it's up and it's built, we can then measure how people are interacting with it, how well it's working, what needs fixed, and then we go into stage 3, which is continuous improvement. So we just continually measure the performance of the website. We begin to make wish lists of what we think people want to see, of what people are asking for on your website, what they're interacting with and what they're not. And from there we can make those improvements or adjustments that actually are going to be meaningful and purposeful, because that's the most important thing, is that your website is getting results. And to do that, it needs to be meaningful and purposeful. And look, like everything, growth-driven design is not necessarily the best option or the best fit for everybody. So if you'd like to know more about it, and if it is a fit for you and your business, and you're looking to get online and get better results, then we'd love to have a chat and see if it's right for you.